Guys, we are in Gainesville, Georgia. Nothing unique except an SD40-2. At some point, there will be no more SD40-2s. I hope never. But NS has sold some SD40-2s already. SD40-2. That's where they will feel. It's just like the CXX. Locomotive at the Railway Museum. That's where you can, if it was on, you could check its feel. Whoa. That's where you load it. That's the emergency fuel off. Norfolk Southern. Sorry. Those are the pistons right there. Let's see what that sound is. Can't see much. Whoa, where'd it go? It's gone now, guys. There was a truckmobile right there. You have to push back the car. That was too bad we missed it. This is a derail. That was that sound of the truckmobile pushing back. Maybe next time. Oh, I like that weird font. I just love that weird font. Like, this is a big engine, it's smiling at me. The spare knuckle. All the air hoses. Wow. They go by so fast. These chains are for emergencies. Well, I was told. This is very, very interesting stuff. And that goes over to there. Not sure what that goes to. Engine lube drain oil. And then this is the front. Equipped with spotter control. This is a Norfolk Southern 60 77 that we've seen. I don't know what's inside there. You got full red. It's like a couple are rusting on the track bumper. That can't be good. Are there any spare knuckle here? Nope. But yeah, this is a locomotive. Norfolk Southern. This is a 6-axle. Yeah, never ever seen that. Yeah, wow.